That was such a good morning. Meow.
Meow, would you like to come with us?
Meow.
Okay, let's go. Come on, sis. It's time.
Come on, Meow.
Go to the toy store. Meow, come on. No rush, but it's, it's time.
Yeah, so let's go.
Yeah, let's.
Hi, can we please get some toys?
Hello, do you have like any cat toys? Do you
They're
have any cat
upstairs.
toys?
What type are there though? Birds, bunnies, turtles, cats. Those are baby toys though. But the bunnies and the birds are not.
Okay, thanks.
And the onions.
Can we please have a bag?
Yeah. At least we're in an all-cat store, right?
Yeah.
Meow.
What do I want? Maybe some Lego or maybe a toy.
I think a toy.
I'm taking Lego.
Which
I'll take
Lego?
this flamingo, please.
I think we're done. Meow. Meow. Can you give her some change, please?
Yeah, $10, please.
Here.
Thanks.
Bye. Have a great day.
That was such a great day. Tomorrow we can go to the food shop, right?
Ow.
Okay. Meow just fell, sis. Meow, come on. Meow fell. Oh, are you okay, Meow?
Yeah.
Got the bag.
Ow. Meow.
Remember, you say you always fall down the stairs, so Meow wanted to help you do that.
Thanks, Meow.
Meow. All right, let's go and bring our stuff
Let me look
upstairs.
out the window.
Wow, it's upstairs. Oh my god, Meow, I can't believe we got all this stuff.
Meow, meow.
So, are you ready?
Right.
Guys, are you ready to go to the food store tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah, just got the stuff out.
Okay.
Meow sleeps in there, I sleep in here, and you sleep in front of us.
Yeah.
No, we keep our toys up here, don't we? I remember that cats always land on their feet. Is that a myth?
I don't think it is. No,
You
it's not a
remember
myth. It's
when
a
Cat
trick.
just fell down? She literally landed.
Oh, yeah.
She must have heard you. Come on, let's go. It's Meow, not Cat, sis. Sorry. Ow!
Don't say that.
Okay, now I'm better. Perfect. That was such a long walk.
She's like, please, Meow, go and get this bag. Perfect. Okay, so what's on offer today? Ooh,
Oh my
do you have
God.
any specials today?
Popsicle.
Look, excuse me, do you have any specials today?
I'm sorry, I was just talking on the
Oh, that's fine.
what would you like? I think I'll take a special. Do you have any specials today?
I'm sorry, I was just, yeah. Yeah. We have the cat food over on the corner. We have a cat cake or cat cupcakes.
I think cat cake.
Okay, that's a big one
Actually,
up there.
Cupcakes.
Okay.
I'll just take one of them, thank you.
Okay, and would you like anything else?
A Bueno. Bueno? They're like half the price now.
Oh, really? That's great.
And you can get like
A drink, because they're on offer. Any
okay, a drink. I think this milk.
Okay, is that all you want?
I think
And
I'll
I
get
can pay
one
for
more
you.
thing. This
Wait.
omelette. Can I get crisps? I need crisps. Let me move this yogurt and get the crisps.
Okay, we'll get the omelet instead of, the crisp instead of the omelet.
Yeah, we can leave that for someone else. Yeah. Thank you. How much will that be? Oh, that'll be $9.99, please.
That is so expensive.
That is so
I
expensive.
paid, sis.
Oh, thanks.
Here's your change. Thank you. Have a great day.
Why do we live so far away? I do not know why. Seriously, why? Like, we're coming in. Okay. There is spot 3 for anyone to come in our house, you know? Yeah, but I prefer it just as a meow. Okay. No, like, if, like, anyone wanted to have a sleep. Oh, yeah, like a friend. Come over and play, you know, with Meow. Yeah, we do have good neighbors, don't we?
Yeah, but Meow likes to play with us the most. Anyway, so guys, thanks for watching this video.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, it's the best video ever.
Meow, meow, meow. Meow.
She said subscribe.
And like and share. Bye.
Bye.